Hi, good morning, family and friends. How you doing? This is Big Mike again from Sin City. I am currently located in BLM land in south of Las Vegas, all right, south of the Strip. Now, what I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna show you guys the my brand new 380, chambered in 380, of course, with the 10 round clips, and also my new Savage 64, okay, 22. They both come with 10 round clips. All right, California compliant is what it is. Yeah. There we go. Let me fix that. But other than that, they're good to go. Okay, 380. These are also chambered in 9 mil, 45, 40, and now the new 10 millimeter. So they're a fun gun to shoot. Of course, 22's always been around. Okay, guys, and it's been cool. Good to go. So, yep. That's all I'm gonna do today is just have fun, and my wife gave me a pass, so I'm out today checking it out. And then maybe later on, I'll as you can hear in the background, there's a big gun going off. Yep, it's a big gun going off. But yeah, this is about 30 folks out here, exercising their Second Amendment. Also, I would like to show you what I made, okay? And I got all these ideas, okay? I didn't want to go spend a lot. Do it on a budget, guys, But yeah, you see this this PVC pipe holder? I mean, it's excellent. Less than $10. And then, of course, the wood. You provide your own screws and what, and then your background. It doesn't have to be this. I got this at a local range that they were throwing away, so they're IDP or IDPA, regular freaking what have you, the sights, okay, just the sight in your weapon. But of course, the sight and see will tell me where I'm at, okay. But other than that, I wanted to show you guys that. All right. Maybe, yeah, I think in the future I'm gonna start showing them how this 380 acts, and what it eats, because it eats everything. I'm just gonna tell you that right now. It eats everything. 22s, of course, they eat everything. The only thing is rimfire. They're not as how would you say it, as reliable as centerfire. Okay, but yeah. And I'm not okay, let me tell you guys, I am not a spokesperson, all right? I just like to practice my I just like to practice my Second Amendment. Also, I would like to show you what my carry is here, okay? It's a 32 32 Keltec, all right, ladies and gentlemen, with a 10 round. This is a 10 round clip. Usually they come with 6, all right? But I'm gonna test this out today again, keep my skills up. And I carry it in, this Blackhawk inside the pocket holster. All right, yeah, ladies and gentlemen, if I can get a pod, I will get a pod out, and or not a stand, and then we'll go from there, and we'll just check it out. All right, other than that, you guys have a great day, happy new year, and subscribe to this channel. All right, click the link, right, hit the bell, okay, make sure you hit the bell. Thanks.